Clarendon's great tragedy, children burnt to death in house fire. Maisie Walters had hardly left her house when she was told that her house was engulfed in flames. Her 2 children, Kayla, 4, and Abigail, 3, were inside. They would not make it out. God, oh what me do? Me feel like a gwan mad, me can't go on, she wept at the sight of her family's 1-bedroom house that was burnt to the ground with the children inside at Halesfield, Clarendon, yesterday. The mother had reportedly taken food to their father, Owen Tomlinson, who was working on a house in the community when the blaze started. Me never gone fi more than 5 minutes, the tearful Walters said as neighbors and relatives consoled her on her return from the Lionel Town Hospital, where she had been taken for medical attention as she reeled from the shock of losing 2 of her 3 children so tragically. God, why you give me them and take them back just so? She wailed. Deputy Superintendent Dennis Lyons of the Clarendon Division of the Jamaica Fire Brigade said that his team responded to the fire around 11 a.m., but had not yet determined the cause of the fire. Desmond McKenzie, Minister of Local Government and Rural Development, in a statement yesterday, described the incident as a great tragedy. Abigail was just 3 years old and Kayla, 4. I want to express my heartfelt condolences to all their relatives, friends and the community of Halesfield, the minister said. Tomlinson said that his children were his motivation for all his hard work. When me work, me try put dem school money one side cause me never go school. All 2-3 day me dhc a fight fi me pickney dem, he said. Them na lef, me. Everywhere me a go, a me and dem. One pon me back, one pon me side. A so me carry dem, he said as tears streamed down his face.